might ask. Is the old man with shaking hands coming?
We're going to the Zero with Zolty Hollow. Where are we going, Zolty? To the Funfair.
To the Funfair? So we're going and picking up the good old F10. It's going to be a really fun little game. No, this is something else. This is much cooler. I think an F10 is definitely cooler than a Matiz.
Well, that one wasn't bad either.
That one wasn't bad either, but this one is, it leaves you in a good place.
Slowly, go roll. Yes, slowly, go roll. Yes, go. Good. Good, wait. He got nervous here. You can go all the way. Good, now what? Well, this is fucking great.
Did we actually avoid hitting the equipment? Thank you gladly to our cameraman. Zolty, did we put this in? The wedding is over. This has to go in here. I don't think we've ever put a car in here like this before, so we put it in such a way that I think the door got damaged. Well, be careful, you'll break it apart, the support broke and things like that. It's gonna creak and crack and the trailer will knock off the boiler with its corner. Thank you very much. Wait for me. Damn the store, you asshole. We're all going to die. Zolty, stop the lamp. The wall is damaged. Well, let's get out of here. Sorry. May I ask what you are doing there?
Nothing. I'm renovating the wall.
The wall got damaged and you're fixing it quickly, Zolty.
I'm renovating.
Just so I don't have to see it.
Whether it fits or doesn't fit.
Damn it, it fit.
Collateral damage.
Well, dear children, if you're right after the little F10 project, you can see the camera. There are some problems. We have a broken steering linkage because the fireman really pulled it hard here when the accident happened, and there are some issues in the back as well. The fuse box is a bit messed up, so that's probably why it won't start. The parcel shelf is also a bit bent, so I'll try to fix it up a bit, get it started, get it back on its feet, so it can be a really great proper little team car.
Inside is the hydro handbrake, underneath is the welded diff.
So we have a really capable N53 engine in it. It's a 30i with 258 horsepower or something like that, adaptive headlights, and it's packed with extras, plus cream leather with thigh support. So I think we couldn't have found a cooler team car than this. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I turned the vehicle around. It wasn't too easy because there's some fuse blown in that fuse box, so once again we called DeWalt for help. The alternating current pump is really just a wire, but I turned it around, took it apart a bit, fixed it, and we'll see how it works. When it moves on its own, ladies and gentlemen, the repairs on the rear haven't started yet. But unfortunately, I had to take out the motor controller because our friend told me yesterday what kind of controller is in it. I'll give you a moment for that. This is the EQ housing. Deep inside there's air. It gets sucked in there. The EQ housing is cooled, so we'll put the cooled EQ back there. A good dozer will hook it up here and there, tie it up here and there, and try to pull it out. I haven't done this before. I'll be pulling out the trunk lid with a tool like this. Goodbye to the roots, a bit of bodywork repair.
Please excuse me for doing this story with my phone.
March is unfortunately sick, so I have to keep going with this because there are things that make it necessary to move forward. So I'll try to put the phone down somewhere, maybe over there or anywhere, and then we'll do a little time lapse.
All right, let's see how this is.
So, there are gaps, normal gaps in the vehicle. I don't think I'll complicate this any further. Well, there a little bit. This will need to be bent back and forth. It seems that over there and there, the fuses have popped out of the fuse board because it looks kind of weird like this.
This is like that here.
I'll try to map everything out, and if it's good, then a test start, and that's pretty much it for the bodywork repair. Well guys, it's not pretty, but that's not the goal either. I pulled on that extension since it was hanging and cracked at the bottom. It's nice, but I want to be honest about its condition. This is really just a quick couple of hours job just so it can be started, so I can fit things, so I can shape it. Guys, keep your fingers crossed that this goes well. Well, the engine is running and a couple of things have been fixed. For example, now the lights work on both sides. and angel eyes and all sorts of little extras. So, do you need a rally box?
Definitely over there, in Chew.
Well, I just gave him a positive one now because unfortunately he didn't get one. Something's wrong with it. This would be the 20 amp fuse here. This is for the alternating current pump as well. So I just gave it power directly. So definitely don't do this at home. You don't want the car to catch fire. And whatever else, you have to fix it properly. You have to put the thing there. Today was a success. The car runs on its own now. I can move it. I can take it for the inspection and so on. Obviously, I'm not going there on foot because they'd get on my case for that.
Can I let it go, Zolty?
I can let go of that, Zolty. I can let it go. Yes, it's true that I can record what you're doing in the trunk from here as well. Petty, please press the radio button.
I'm already pressing the radio button. Nothing's happening. Uncle, where is it? Uncle?
The car's been shot. It's your private one.
Let me bandage myself.
Petty?
You didn't hurt me.
So, safety?
Especially since none of them work. All kinds of switches are turned off.
Oh, but you're so weird, Ketchy or Adam.
With that hair thing, yeah.
Is the seat heating working?
I don't know.
I'm braking. Come on, Ketchy. That's it. New one, right?
Very good. We're gossiping.
Yeah, actually kind of like that.
Come on, don't hold me up.
Some kind of filth stuck to my hand.
We're getting really close to him. Look, seriously, we're right on his tail. I'm keeping the distance. It's really good.
Really good.
Your mom is watching. What kind of things are you tapping?
I've never traveled. What's it called?
Really?
Really? Oh, it stopped. A real BMW.
Since we're traveling anyway, tell me a bit about this car.
That this really is a nice BMW 530.
An F10, a car we bought for ourselves.
It's already certain that we're going to Piscolti Kevin with it. There's no steering angle, as you can see. It has a hydraulic handbrake, a welded diff, and that's all.
And will this car get any kind of battle chip, this fire extinguisher?
Yes. Nice scent, Kongosak, but why is it like this?
What should I decorate today, Los?
I don't know. You can go to the water thing. Look.
He is pointing.
Will you introduce the little girl?
Yes.
I think we can't go wrong with this.
Pettywell, this isn't bad. This is the reverse situation.
Well, this is simply wonderful.
I looked into it well.
Like you welded, we cut the rest of us.
The rest of us. I don't know when the episode will be released, so I'm unsure if we can include this crest by then, though we have a general idea of the timing.
I think after next week.
Yes.
Then tell me about the crest.
Which you've already put into his heart too, right? Isn't that so? Well, the thing is, this car was in the wrong place at the wrong time.
Wow, 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 wow.
We could say that, but anyway, we really thank Eddie, who is an American stuntman, by the way. He was in Gone in 60 Seconds. He is the inspector guy, Nicolas Cage's stunt double. He arranged this car for us, and I already told him there that I would like, well, if it's at a good price, then I think I could do something with it. So we decided that we would buy it now.
Okay, let's approach it differently. Was this the most expensive or very costly?
Yes, we only bought this car because our friend Eddie, the thief, Tempo Nicholas's stunt double, crashed it. And well, as the Americans would say, that's a piece of history. So we should have just bought the fire truck all along.
I think
That it would have been good, Bazag. I pretty much already tidied things up here as I was picking things up, but let me show you around.
Well, of course, that's why I came.
I'm coming. So this is an N53, a Nora 53 engine, 258. Niha. Well, it's heavy because it's 1,700 kilo. Well, I've already taken a few things out of it. I hope we can sell them so it won't hurt the company as much. Fireman, the extra ones, all nice and shiny. Aha. There was no reason to cut this. They wanted to cut around the fire truck, I think, so they could take it apart.
If it survives the first mission, then maybe we'll think about modifying it.
That's absolutely possible.
That's for later. Right now, this is the main problem.
Here in the water sieve, it got a little bit.
You can stock fish. I see the water is a bit still right now.
184 is a 20-amp one, yes. That's an alternating current pump. I honestly don't get it, damn it, that there's no wire there.
I don't know what he's tapping with his finger, the screwdriver. Either the fuse or the fuse housing. I think it's pointless to mess with this. If you need a relay, just buy a panel.
For example, do any of you happen to have a fuse box from the rear trunk that's been taken apart?
But do you have this? Next party? No. He'll reply soon.
In a moment, I don't understand that. He has to call back, but never mind, it's not important.
While on the phone, there's no internet there.
I think they've moved past this in the 21st century.
Dial up, dial up. Good afternoon.
And not Welftromic.
Not Welftromic and Diesel.
Well, there are the dispensers.
Because, you know, on the Welftromic there's a little thing here. Yes, so this means it's high pressure.
And we inject it directly.
Yes, we inject it directly. Here's the injector.
Can you explain Verzolny to a layperson?
No, they'll look it up themselves. This isn't that kind of battle. This is damn good.
But I don't know either.
Yeah, it's cool here. I can see everything and I'm watching.
It's full of camera positions.
Always do the opposite of what Petty says and then it'll be fine.
Thank you. This applies to my whole life.
With a straight back, yes.
With a straight back.
That's how the error codes are being cleared right now.
Well,
Listen, it'll be ready in a moment. Gillingaland.
All right, something's off here.
what do you think, Petty? Very.
There are a lot of cables.
Back here.
Or if you get off with one of these babies, you won't step on them at all. No.
Something's wrong, and oddly something else is off too.
Listen, it's about to go Gillingalang. Yes, there's one going on this side too.
Why is that?
Did he have something else? Not good, but what and where?
Well, and because of what? The things that are missing. These little ones, the trunk lid.
Bumper, BDF, and some stuff like that. Silly things.
BDF?
BTC.
It was BDC, yes. Plate light?
But this should make the alternating current work.
Well, yes.
And how should I see what's in here?
But why can it be opened from the top too? Isn't it there, inside?
Inside there.
Yeah, inside.
Where is your elbow?
In the BMW?
I punched the BMW.
The check was inside it.
Let's take someone to him for these.
EKPM3. What is that? Hungarian's pump computer. Haha.
Okay, it's a fuel pump computer, but it gets power from here. Damn, the thing, the box. I won't be surprised.
If it's liquid.
We find inside it,
It's just a shell now. It doesn't work anymore because the smoke is gone.
but then, damn it.
That's the problem. It's typical, like having a junkyard next door.
Yeah, you go over, try it out, and start swapping everything.
Well, that goes in.
It has to go in, Manch.
Measure 1 with the virtual reality, then it's here. Wait, that's not enough. It's 8, no, 7.
It's just that because that's how much it gives, there's none.
That it gives that much, there's no such thing. Damn it, there was almost 12 volts in that thing. But there are only 8 that's not good. There was almost 12 volts there too. Well, there's none there.
Because this is a brain.
But why would I need it? It was 6.
How does he know? There's nothing.
It was 6. No.
You don't want to know. BMW-wise, what could this be?
Battery EQ, damn it. What's up? I should know.
9,000 forints.
Rear power distribution box. There aren't any numbers by any chance.
How should I know? Just tell me if there are any numbers.
It's right in front of you, damn it.
Are you paying attention? Should I cover it now?
Is this a problem?
Yes.
This is good. Very good. Thank you.
Fantastic.
All of them are good except that one. So that's pretty suspicious.
This looks pretty bad. Not only are they burnt, but it's coming up until next year. There.
Damn, you don't get it, do you? We don't understand it either.
Because that's a bistie. Probably some smart bistie. You don't get 12, only 8. Pull the plastic off it and plug it in there.
I'd bulldoze it and cut it up with wire cutters and a heat gun, damn it.
If I smooth the edges.
If I remove the plastic, it might fit. That's what he really said. Well, now he doesn't want to open up or tease anyone.
Do you want to put it back? Where from?
I know, that's not it anymore.
So now what? Is this what needs to go back on?
Well, obviously.
I still got water in even with it on, but if it's not on, man, that's stupid. But it's no coincidence that cable was heating up, especially if such a damn thick cable is connected to it.
Boss, you can go ahead now. It's good.
All right, the bottom.
That's where it belongs. The first wall it hits, it's not going to break those damn bitches the same way.
Why do you want to run into the wall?
Well,
To run into a wall that's just there.
You are a wall? Now it could use a charge the axilla if...
much better. It picks up the signal better.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, here is this nice little project. We have some ideas for it. We'll see what happens, but for now I've taken a few things apart.
Beautiful little ladybugs.
Since Zolty's car is already full of ladybugs, we won't reveal the type of engine or catalytic converters.
By the time this video comes out, I think mine will be ready too.
Be careful. The paw is really fired up now, so maybe, but only because
Because he was sick. So maybe this video will already be out in 2025.
Maybe.
at the beginning, kids, give a big round of applause to Manch. So
I'll remove all the ladybugs from underneath.
and a little bit. We'll customize this exhaust system a bit, so we're about to get started, and then we'll cut it up here with Zolty. If this little setup comes together the way we want, it's going to be really good. A really funny little thing.
Maybe you remember when we made a drive shaft out of an exhaust for Tamaha? Do you remember waiting for it?
Today you can buy drive shaft tubing. You just have to search for exhaust pipe.
The drive shaft material.
Now we'll turn this around because we're making an exhaust out of drive shafts. Why not? If it didn't work this way, it will definitely work now. So let's make an exhaust out of drive shafts. Damn it. We're done with the amazing exhaust system.
Ta-da-da-da-dum, there was a ladybug, now there's no ladybug, there was a ladybug, now there's no ladybug.
I don't know if you know it.
You can get what's called a super sprint system for BMWs. Well, this isn't that great, but it was made in super sprint style.
Miracle exhaust, guys, there.
All right, let's put this on. Let's see how terribly awful it will sound.
Well, guys, I'm reporting.
The vehicle has been mufflered. It's been muffled. The engine is running.
At idle, it's pretty loud.
It doesn't sound good enough.
But on the other hand,
Well, if
I kick it, guys,
it'll turn into a Ferrari.
it makes a little noise.
Not when it's unloaded, watch.
when it's unloaded.
$3,000 of force.
Well, anyway, let's do something with this.